According to Forbes, you should never let AI handle these 5 tasks unless you want your business to become just another soulless and forgettable brand. Stick around till the end because number 1 is the biggest mistake most people are already making. Number 5, your brand message and identity. Your brand isn't just a business, it's an identity, a story, and a movement. But when you let AI craft your brand's message, guess what? It sounds like everyone else because everyone using AI. AI doesn't understand passion. It doesn't feel emotions, and it definitely can't capture your unique voice. Yeah, like my voice. Yeah, I'm talking about myself. I'm not AI. Anyway, you want a brand that people remember? Make sure your mission and values come from you, not a robot. Number 4, thoughts, leadership, and authority. People follow you because of your insights, your experience, and your perspective. But here's the catch. Artificial intelligence can't think originally. It just remixes existing content. It's not only about content, it's also about any business, like product, like services, like anything. You know what the best leaders do? They don't just repeat what's already out there. They create fresh ideas, challenge the norm, and share personal stories. Interesting. Number 3, measure business decisions. Everybody knows that AI is great at crunching numbers, but should it be making your biggest business moves? Definitely not. Partnership, hiring, and long-term strategies. These aren't just data-driven. They require intuition, risk-taking, and gut feelings. The biggest business breakthrough, they don't come from safe AI decisions. They come from bold human choices. Number 2, client relationship and sales. People buy from people, not bots, not generic AI script, real humans. Trust isn't built by automation. It's built through genuine conversations, empathy, and understanding. Sure, AI can help with emails and scheduling, but what about those high-ticket sales? Those career-changing deals? They need a personal touch, 100%. But before we jump into the most crucial mistake, if you're finding this video valuable, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel to learn how to use AI in the right way to grow your business and brand. But most important mistake, creativity and innovation. AI can optimize, it can generate, but can it truly innovate something? Not really. The biggest breakthroughs, the ones that change entire industries, come from human curiosity, risk-taking, and thinking differently. If you let AI handle all your creative works, you'll always be one step behind those who dare to think bigger. Listen, AI is a wonderful tool, but it's just a tool. The most successful businesses of the future won't be the ones who automated everything. They'll be the one who use AI to enhance their uniqueness. Yeah, as you can see, I'm a real human. I'm not AI. I create content. I could easily use AI voice for my videos, but I prefer to talk by myself. Yeah, I definitely use AI to help write script, coming up with ideas, creating videos and editing stuff. Of course, I ask help from AI, but I'm not gonna sacrifice my uniqueness for creating content easily. So now I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 tasks do you think should always stay human? Drop a comment below and watch this video about how to get rich in the new era of